This is the original sound of Don't Feel Bad about your struggles. When I very first made it, this song is the original.
Silence is not to say anything at all, because silence will tell you a lot about certain situations, people, and things. You don't have to be loud or talk a lot to get attention. Sometimes being silent, you have all the attention you need by being still and let God talk for you. And don't feel bad about telling everyone your struggles. And don't feel bad by telling everyone what you have. But be careful of telling them what you have and where you're going. Because everybody is not going to want to fly with you. Everybody want to drive, but nobody want to ride with you. So just leave that passenger seat open for Jesus. Because he will drive, he will ride, he will fly, and he will cruise with you. Because people want to drive. They don't want to ride with you. And that being said, everyone is not going to fly with you. So just leave that passenger seat over to Jesus.
Because what he'll do,
He will drive.
yes, he would.
He will ride.
What he would do,
He will drive. He will ride.
won't he do it?
He will fly.
Yes, he will.
He will cruise with you.
That's what God would do. So if you need somebody to ride with you, I suggest you call Jesus.